Good morning, fellow traders. This is Lola Claire again with today's trade from Convert to Smart. Now, I traded this stock, and usually when I'm trading, I don't like to talk, so this actually went through. So now I'm just going to walk you through what I did, and maybe you can get an idea on how to trade a stock like this. Now, I just wanted to point out that this stock actually went a lot higher than where I came out, but I am more confident as a short trader, and I'm trying to be a little bit more patient with my long trades. But what I like to do is just to point out that you can still make money and stick to rules. So one of my rule is to go to where I am confident, or I feel a little bit more confident that the stock will go. And that's usually where my drawings, my Fibonacci line is, or where my resistance line or support line is, or where my VWAP is. So that's what I did, and I just wanted to show you exactly what happened this morning. So I was looking around a bunch of stocks. If you can see here, this long line is just me looking through all the top gainers for today, and I get this like I had mentioned in one of my videos before, from Finviz. So you can use that, it's free, or you can get the elite version, which is what I have. So let me just run this so you can see exactly what happened with this stock. So there I am putting in SES, and I'm going through the different time frames, just looking at it here to see if this is one of the stocks that I want to trade. And you know what I always do, I always put in my support and resistance line. So that is exactly what I'm doing right here. And I'm putting it on the 5-minute chart. So yeah, you can use this technique if you want. I'm allowing it to go through. It's a little slow, but you can see just what I do. And this is what I do every time. If I look at a stock at first glance, if it looked like something that is a possibility for me, then I go ahead and put in all my joins and my my lines. So I'm looking at it and watching it here. It's still on the 5-minute chart, and at first it was just barely moving. So I'm there going through and looking at it to further get a view on a lower time frame. I'm putting in my lines, like I said, just to see if this is the pattern that I'm looking at. And like, as you know, this is one of my favorite patterns. This is my bullish flag, and what usually happens with this is it usually drops first. I'm thinking that everybody, just like me, seeing that this is setting up for a long, for going up, and where that big red candle is everybody getting in and buying this stock for a pop. So there I am getting in. And like I said, this is for beginner traders. I'm doing this on the paper trading just to show you that you can actually make money with a small account. I'm only putting in 500 shares here. So I bought it for 500 shares, and it's moving now. It's below the VWAP. I'm putting in where I'm thinking, or I'm a little bit sure where it's going to go. And there it's moving. You see my resistance line. That's where I'm comfortable that it will go. It's hit my fib, I'm sorry, my Fibonacci, I am out, and that gave me $132.41. And you can see I have not sped up this chart. Um, I got that within just a few minutes. I think within 5 minutes is how I made $132.41. I don't think you can see that, but yeah, that's it for today. Again, like and subscribe. This is Lola Claire with Convert to Smart. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.